In ancient times, children received their education in gurukuls, a traditional form of schooling in India. Life in a gurukul wasn't easy. The children had to clean their own living space, wash their clothes, help in cooking meals, and even participate in cleaning the gurukul premises. The primary reason behind such a system was to provide children with holistic education, including physical, spiritual, and practical knowledge. Once, a young boy named Varadraj came to the Gurukul with his parents to receive education. Like the other children, he too was admitted. Varadraj mingled well with the other children. However, unlike the others, he found it difficult to grasp the lesson being taught, despite the teacher's repeated effort to make him understand. He struggled, the reason he lacked self-confidence. Whenever exams were conducted, all the students passed and moved on to the next level. Except Varadraj, he kept failing. One day, the teacher, weary of trying, called Varadraj and said, "Son, maybe education is not your destiny. It would be better for you to return home and find something else to do. Don't waste your time here." The teacher handed him some roasted gram flour sattu and said, "Eat this on your way home if you feel hungry." With a heavy heart, Bharadraj bowed down to the teacher and set off for home. While walking, he felt hungry and sat near a well to eat the sattu. As he went to draw water from the well, he saw a woman drawing water using a rope and pulley. Varadraj noticed marks on the stone wheel of pulley. Curious, he asked the woman, "Why are there marks on the stone?" The woman replied, "These marks were not made by me. They were made by the rope, due to its constant rubbing against the stone over time." Varadraj, amazed, asked, "But how can a soft rope leave mark on a hard stone?" The woman said, "It's due to repeated movement of the rope. Constant effort leaves a mark." This simple explanation struck a deep chord in Varadraj's heart. He began to ponder. If a soft rope can leave its marks on a hard stone through repetition, then why can't I learn through consistent effort, dedication, and hard work? With renewed determination and self-belief, he turned back and returned to the Gurukul. He decided to work with full sincerity and never give up again. Soon, because of his considered effort, things started to change. He began to understand the lesson clearly. Eventually, this very Varadraj went on to become a renowned scholar of Sanskrit grammar. Nothing is impossible in this world. All it takes is deep desire, constant effort, and an unwavering belief in yourself. Even the hardest stone gives way to the softest rope when met with consistency. So can your destiny when you meet it with determination.